This is a 5-day cruise on the Carnival Liberty out of Port Canaveral. And our ship is at dock, and that is the terminal that we entered the ship by. This is the check-in area of the terminal. We have left all our luggage with the handling crew. Only thing we bring with us is our computers, our camera equipment, and medicines. Since we are the second highest on the plan for Carnival, we get a special area to sit in. And we sat there and sat there and sat there. And finally asked what was going on, and they had a stowaway. And until they found that person, we could not go on board ship. About 15 minutes later, they found him, and we got to go on board ship. All cruise ships leaving the port are escorted by the U.S. Coast Guard. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.